Hello students, today I am going to teach about the how to locate root 2, root 3 on the number line in the number system chapter. So students, first of all you have to draw a line segment, okay, with the length of 1 unit, okay. So this point is, I assumed A, this point is B and this length is 1 unit, okay. And at point B, draw a line segment with the same length 1 unit. So what will happen here? So this point is C, and if you join this as a straight line segment, so it will become a right angle triangle with the 1 unit, and this is also 1 unit. So in the Pythagoras theorem, it will be like this: AC is equal to root over 1 square plus 1 square is equal to 1 plus 1, it will 2, okay. So as you all know that in right angle triangle Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So directly here I have written 1 square plus 1 square, it will become root over 2, okay. So this length is what? Root 2, and using the compass, this all work will be done by the pencil. So using the compass and pencil, so you will just put one point to the point A and locate this point C, and you will just move like this, okay. So this point, it will be D here, okay. So length of AD will be, root over 2, okay. Suppose if you start from the origin, that is the origin as a 0 point, so you can locate this point root over 2. So it will be approx 1.414 value on the number line, okay. So likewise we can draw root 2 on the number line, okay. We will continue to locate this point root 3. How we can locate? Just you have to, on point C, we will make a line segment with this what? Right angle with the length of 1 unit again. So in this 1 unit, this point will be D and this will be 90 degree, okay. So using the protractor, or you can using the compass, you can just draw like this, okay. So cutting this point and point here, and you can make the 90 degree. Otherwise you can put the protractor and take a straight line with the 1 unit and you will get the 90 degree here, okay. So you can use either of this method using the protractor or either using this compass, okay. So again here what will happen, this line you will draw with the A to D, okay. So what is the length of AD? So here I am calculating. If you see in the right angle triangle, in triangle ACD, so if you see here, AC is equal to root 2 and DC is equal to 1, okay. So I need to calculate OD square. OD as a hypotenuse, it will be AC square plus DC square. So here it will be AC is equal to 2 and it will be 1. So OD square is equal to 3 and OD is equal to root 3, okay. So in the same way, again you will use the compass and you will fix the one point here and you will just mark here, okay. So this point, it will be E, and the length of AE will be root over 3, okay. You will continue this procedure up to in a circle format. So again if you will calculate, so root 2, this one root 2 and this is the root 3, and if you will again continue, so this will be 1 unit with the same way. So here you will get the root 4, that is the length of 2, and again you can make the circle. So this length you can find here, A is equal to root 3. So in the next question I will explain how you can draw root 5, root 6 and root 7 on the number line, okay students. So students, let's solve this question. Locate root 5, root 6 and root 7 on number line. So in the same way, I drawn a straight line, okay, and this is the number line, and here first of all I'll take 2 unit length, okay, this is the AB, 1 and 1, okay, so 2 unit length I have taken, and on the point of B I'll draw a line segment with this 1 unit length, okay, so this will be 1 unit. So why I am taking this 1 unit? Because if you take this length, so this is the 2 unit length and this is the 1 unit. So after calculating here, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, okay, so this is the 2 square, it will be 4, and BC square it will be 1. So it will become AC square is equal to 4 plus 1, that is AC is equal to root over 5. Okay, so here this length we got root over 5. Okay, here root over 5 we got. So putting this compass here 1 point, and just you will locate this point. Okay, so fixing this point, this will be ABCD point. So AD length will be root over 5. Okay, so in the same way on the point C we will just again make a 90 degree. So using this compass, just fix this value, cut this point, and you will mark this here, it will be 90 degree. Okay, draw this line segment with this unit, you will mark as a 1 unit. Okay, so this point if you join, this point will be E, and if you calculate this value, root 5 square plus 1 square, so here I am calculating AE square is equal to AC square plus CE square. So AC square it will be 5 and CE square it will be 1. So AE is equal to root over 5 plus 1, it will become root over 6. So this length will be root over 6. Again same way you have to take this compass and you will mark it here. So fixing this point, and this point it will be F. So AF will be root over 6. AF will be root over 6. So after calculating, if you calculate again, join this point here 90 degree directly I am using. You can use this protector, or again you can make 90 degree using the protector. So this length will be 1 unit, okay, and join this point. So this point it will be Z. Okay, so if you calculate this point, AG square, here I am writing AG square is equal to AE square plus GE square. So root over 6 square plus 1, so it will be 6 plus 1. So AG square and AG it will be root over 7. So you can draw this AG is equal to root over 7. How? So just fix this compass and you will mark it like this. Okay, so this point it will be H, and A to H will be root over 7. Okay students, so here AD is equal to root 5 units and AF is equal to root 6 unit and AH is equal to root 7 unit. Okay students, and whatever the steps we are following, we should write in the subjective paper in the exam. What we are doing here, you are just making the straight line using this line segment. So all steps you should write. Here I am not writing, so please write down in the exam. Okay, thank you students, thank you for watching this video.